Now, anytime you're doing any project around your home, it's going to require setting aside time to make all the decisions so that everything turns out perfectly. Well, if you're building a swimming pool, you'll definitely want to allow a little bit of time to watch the process. It's amazing. Using the drawings that our architect Jim provided, the pool contractor, Mike Whittington, could begin mapping out the shape of the pool. These flexible form boards serve as guideposts for the beginning of excavation. This was really the exciting part when that big track hoe started scooping out the backyard, because I knew the pool was beginning to take shape. Operating this big machine in these close quarters was a fairly challenging job. The more detailed sculpting of the walls and pool bottom was done by hand. Mike's crew used a plywood template to be sure that the wall to bottom transition was consistent throughout the pool. When the depth and shape was right, it was time to prepare for the concrete by laying out this grid of steel rebar and tying it all together. This will reinforce the surfaces and prevent any cracking. The specially formulated concrete arrived by truck and was transferred into a pump, which pushed it through a large hose up the hill and into the backyard. The nozzle at the end of the hose added compressed air to the mix, creating a spray of concrete called shotcrete. Each area was built up slowly to the proper thickness before the finishers took over to shape the concrete into the finished form that would be our pool.